What's up everybody, XWeaverX. Today we have a video going over the white stone dome glass screen protector for our Google Pixel Fold. We're going to be going over the unboxing of this and the application of applying this to our Google Pixel Fold here. That being said, let's hop right into the video. Alright guys, upon opening the box here, we got our two screen protectors inside the box. And then the kit also includes a dust remover sticker, as well as our microfiber cloth, and then a couple of guide stickers as well. And then it also has, looks like, some alcohol wipes to wipe our device down. And this is everything that the kit includes right here. First things first is we want to go ahead and wipe down our device here. Take our microfiber cloth, we're going to wipe this down really good. Alright, now that we have our device nice and squeaky clean here, we're going to go on to the next step. So when we do go to apply this, make sure you have slide 3 pointing towards the top of your phone. And then we're going to hold it just like so. We're going to push our finger down on one. As we're pushing in like so, we're going to take our other hand and we're going to go ahead and grab this, peel this back. Alright, and then we're just going to go ahead and we're going to put this straight down on our device. And then once we push this down on our device, it'll line up. You'll feel it line up. We'll go ahead and push down on this. So it doesn't say how long to hold this down. It just says until the adhesion is completed. So I'm going to assume it's going to take anywhere between 10 to 30 seconds. I believe that should be enough time. And then what we're going to do is we're going to continue holding it down like so. And then we're going to grab this sticker. And it says we're going to lift this up while holding this down. And then that'll just pop off. I don't know if we're supposed to pull the whole thing and then pop it off. But it does look like the screen protector has been applied. Alright guys, and here's a close-up shot of the screen protector on the phone. If you take notice at the top and bottom of the screen here, it does not go bezel to bezel. However, that is intended as it allows you to still go ahead and put a front case on over the screen protector. If it went edge to edge, the cases that you put on would actually lift up the screen protector. So it is nice that it's not fully edge to edge, as it does allow you to go ahead and put that front screen protector on. The color representation on it is very crystal clear. All the colors look really good. And then going into the touch sensitivity, it feels very fluent. It feels just like the factory screen. It doesn't even feel like there's a screen protector on this. And then we'll test out the camera to see how the camera cutout works with this over it. The camera quality with the screen protector on is still very good. It doesn't make any difference at all. I will go ahead and throw a picture on the screen now. So what I do like about this is it does come with two screen protectors, the dust stickers, the alcohol pads, as well as the microfiber cloths to wipe everything down. The installation process was really simple. All we had to do was line this up, arrow pointed up towards the top of the phone. Hold it like so, push our finger in here, and then grab the screen protector sticker, peel that off, and then put this face down on our phone. And then once we had it face down on the phone, this actually lines straight up with the screen because of the lips here. So it lines straight up. And then you just push down in the center, hold it there for about 10 to 30 seconds. And then while you're holding it, take your other hand and remove the sticker, peeling it up, and this will lift this up off the screen. And that's all there was to installing the screen protector. I didn't have any air bubbles at all. I don't know if you'll be able to see it on the screen. There are no air bubbles whatsoever. Very satisfied with that. The touch response of the screen is there. It doesn't feel rough. It doesn't feel like it hinders the touch response in any way. It's very smooth. It feels just like the factory screen. So I do like that a lot as well. And then our camera selfies are still top notch. It doesn't hinder the camera in any way being over top of the camera. The sharpness and colors are very accurate still. I did not notice any change in the camera quality with the screen protector over it, so that's a big plus there. Also love that it does cover the camera cutout, and it's not like other screen protectors where it's kind of like the little V or the U that kind of goes around it. So that's really nice. All in all, very satisfied with this screen protector. We'll have to see how it holds up over the months to come to see if there's any yellowing or not, and to see if there's like that little rainbow effect that some screens do cause. Right now, telling you, I am not seeing any type of rainbow effect from looking at the different angles. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and apply our case back over top of the screen. See how well this fits. All right, and as you guys see here, our screen protector does not cause any issues with the case overlaying this. This may vary depending on what type of case you have. And that's all there is to this video. I hope it was helpful to you guys. Please consider leaving a like and a sub. Stay tuned to the channel as I am going to be doing a deep analysis over the hardware and software of the Google Pixel Fold. It's going to be coming to my channel here very soon, so do stay tuned for that if you're interested. And as always, peace and prosper, much love. We will be seeing you on the next one. Bye.